There are over 1.5 million Syrian refugees in Lebanon and over 500,000 school-aged children that have been torn from their families and their schools.
Of those children, over 300,000 have been left without an education.
The Empowered Arab Sisterhood at UC Davis believes that we have a responsibility to support this generation, and we need your help to do it.
The crisis in Syria, the journey into exile, and the transition into a new life have already caused many Syrian refugee children to miss months or even years of school. Some have already lost the drive to start again.
We are partnering with the Kayani Foundation to provide students with an education and the support they need to overcome this crisis.
As of today, the Kayani Foundation provides free education to over 3,500 Syrian refugees. They also provide over 58,000 meals per month and vital mental health services to their students.
We plan to raise $10,000 for the Kayani Foundation, and we can only do so with your support and generosity.
Join us on Saturday, May 6th for our 4th annual Remembering the Refugees charity banquet as we come together to raise money for a cause that is close to our homes and to our hearts.
Because every child has the right to go to school.